A rather inconspicuous building in an industrial area of Cape Town aims to become a technology benchmark for the entire continent. Here a story unfolds that is often underreported in the news. The COVAX initiative asked companies to apply for the creation of an mRNA hub for low and middle income countries. Afrigen was successful.
That's one of the positive legacies of COVID. We now, in the last 8 months, have seen this massive funding available now for biotechnology in South Africa, in Cape Town, and also in Africa.
Afrigen started 5 years ago to manufacture TB vaccines for Africa. Now they are tasked to develop and produce mRNA vaccines.
The model was that we will receive a technology transfer, turnkey technology transfer, but that didn't happen. So the team now has jumped in with our university partners and the knowledge base in South Africa to develop our own vaccine.
One of the key partners is in Johannesburg, the antiviral gene therapy research unit at Witwatersrand University. They have been working on mRNA since 2015 and now pass on their skills and knowledge to Afrigen.
We have been able to take information which is available in the public domain to work out how the Moderna mRNA is produced. So we have the sequence and we have the context of that sequence which we've been able to reproduce. But of course, the purpose of that really is to use as a reference rather than as something which we want to try and use as a product. So we would like to develop our own ideas, and we are in fact doing that already, and compare that to the Moderna vaccine.
Back in Cape Town, Pietro Terblanche still hopes for a cooperation with Moderna, which would speed up the process. Moderna announced a waiver while the pandemic is ongoing, but afterwards no commercial use of their patent will be possible without their approval.
We would like to have a voluntary license to be able to transfer this technology to other low and middle income countries to use the platform for other vaccines, HIV, TB, Ebola, flu. This hub and the capacity and the capability we're building here is beyond COVID. So this in fact is part of a strategy from Africa to produce 60% of our vaccines by 2040. So this is part of building an industry.
So far, almost all vaccines used on the African continent are imported. The possible shift comes with many opportunities. Also for the city of Cape Town, a growing tech and startup hub.
South Africa has a biotechnology strategy, which is what we call a bioeconomy strategy. And we've for many years put resources into fostering and incubating companies. So we see the boom now of a biotechnology industry in South Africa, and we hope that we would be able to become the Boston and some of the other very, very eminent biotechnology hubs globally.